Hello YouTube family, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to my another episode of my gilly time. So I hope you will learn from this video after watching. So this is how I tied that cap gilly. I don't even know what to call it, crisscross cap gilly. So I folded the gilly into two, though not really equal, but you can also fold into two unequal parts, and then I placed it from the back to my head, just like you can see, and I started making pleats. So remember, we are the no pin tying tutor. How will I put it? So in this video, like other videos, if you have not seen any of my other gele tying videos, you can go and watch and like, and if you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe. So yeah, my making pleats. Yeah. So all I'm just trying to do is to arrange the pleats. You can as well make the pleats on ground before placing on your head actually, but I don't know, somehow I just prefer to make the pleats on my head, but you can make it down on ground. And so I'm just trying to make sure the pleat is as long as possible. Actually, you can make the pleats, this pleat I'm doing, you can make it as long as the hand, like down to the end of the gele, to the end of the hand of the gele. I don't know if you get. So but somehow I just stopped where I put my hand, and I'm just trying to arrange the pleats. Then I did the same thing for the other side. So I try to make my pleats straight down. Yeah, I'm just trying to arrange the pleats. So like I said, I think it's more easier when you do it down, but it's just like to take more time, so I just prefer doing it on my head quickly. But if you do it down, it will take more time when making the pleats down before placing it on your hand, but it will be faster to tie if you do it that way. But this way, I'm making the pleats right on my head. So the next thing I did after arranging and making sure my pleats are lying well, the next thing I did was to turn over. Can you see the two equal hands? I turned them over each other and then turn again. That's just what I did. I turned the first time over each other, then turned the second time over each other again, and then just arranged my pleats. Yeah, just like that. I just tried to make it tighter, make it more firm, and then I kept arranging my pleats. So yeah, just trying to make the pleats. I want to make the O and pleated, so it will have no excess. I'm trying to make the O and pleated, so there will be no excess. You can make more pleats, you can be more perfect than what I've done. Like I used to say, I'm not professional, but this is just the little way I can tie and make it fine on my head. But you can make a better thing by just being more patient and make more pleats. Patiently make pleats. You see, to make gele come out fine, one has to be very patient with your gele, with making pleats and all the likes. But I was tired, I was in a hurry, because I actually made two videos I tied to gele. I'll be uploading the second one very soon. I couldn't upload the two so that it will not be too long, so this particular day I had to tie it. So I just flipped it to the others. The ends I just took it to the back and then I tied at the back, just as you can see, then continued my arranging in front, just like you can see. So like I was saying, I made two videos, so I was in a hurry to tie this, and I was already tired because I already tied one before. So I'll upload that one to watch out for that one too. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button as you watch. Yeah, so and what all I'm just trying to do now is to arrange. At this point I was really tired, I wouldn't lie. So I just try to make it as fine as possible. So you can make yours more finer by just patiently making more pleats. Can you see? And then I just try to tuck the ends at the back. The end of the gilly was already too short. There was no way I could tie it the second time. So I just tried to just look for a way around that, and then arranged, tuck it. I made a mistake actually. I should have pulled my hair out. Well, I just did it this way. And yes, there's another way you can do it. So instead of making the hand press down, you can just do it this way. When you want to tie at the back, you just hold the ends, hold a tip, an end of each hand. Do you understand? Instead of holding the full ends and tying just like we did for the first one. So you can just tie the ends so that it will look, you have, it will be more spread in front. I don't know how to put it. Instead of it pressed down, do you understand? You just have it this way, higher. How will I put it? It's spread. It's spread instead of being pressed down. Let me put it that way. So just like you can see, instead of the other way around. So there are two ways to tie this particular one. So you hold the ends and then you tie. You see, I did not tie the whole ends as tight and firm as the first one. So this is just another way of tying it. Yeah, so that it will look more spread. And if you have a bigger gele, imagine it will be fuller. Do you understand? It will stand fuller than the way it is or the way it was. So this is another way of tying it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe button, and share.